Hello everyone, I am back with another layout to share with all of you using the Chamel Best of Both World choices for February. Now, I don't think I mentioned in my previous video using this paper collection, but sorry, I was getting a phone call, but I did go ahead and purchase a couple extra. I don't know if I purchased one of each extra paper, so I have two of everyone, but I definitely purchased two of a lot of them. And that's just because I wanted to be able to use them as background papers, but also to use the cut aparts that were on the other side. So I have been using bits and pieces from both sides of the papers along with the cut apart cards. A lot of times where you see like that black floral piece in the background, that'll just be a grouping of the cut apart cards that I didn't think I was going to use. So I just followed the lines on the cut apart cards to cut it out and make it into a layer for my scrapbook page. So today I am scrapbooking photos of my puppy when she was a puppy. I still call her a puppy. She's only a year and 2 months. So she's still a puppy. This was when we had first gotten her, and she is super tiny. Although, to be fair, she is still very tiny for a golden retriever. She's a teeny little girl. So for this layout, it's going to be very simple. I meant to actually grab it. It was right beside me. There it is. Oh, I can't reach it. There we go. For this layout, I'm using a piece of paper that's roughly 6 by 12 to cover up one side. And then that black floral paper is about 6 by 8. I am using two photos that measure 3.5 by 5. I ordered a bunch of photos from Persnickety Prints, and I got them all in 3.5 by 5. I just painted my fingernails, and I seem to have something stuck in my one fingernail that I didn't notice when I was painting them. So that's gonna drive me nutty unless I can get it off. Anyways, just a side note. Like I said, this layout's going to be very simple. I just wanted to focus on using some of the stickers and die cuts. That being said, I didn't end up using as many as I had wanted to for this layout. I do get one chipboard piece on and one sticker and two die cuts. So definitely not as much as I had wanted to use up for this layout. I did, however, get some of the, I don't know what collection they're from. I think they're from Bungalow Lane, clear stickers used on this layout. So that was a win. Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. I used a couple more stickers down at the bottom. I forgot that that's what I'm putting on right now. I forgot they were stickers. So this is a really simple layout. If you are looking for something that is quick and easy, I would definitely recommend trying something like this. Just grab a couple of scraps of paper and make a background with them, and then stick your photos on, add something small for a title. I went with in this collection, it says Stay Golden a lot in this collection, which I really like because I have two golden retrievers. So I plan on using everything that says Stay Golden on layouts of my dogs. I have another dog who's not a golden, but Yeah, I do have 2 golden retrievers and my mom has a golden retriever, so I'm definitely going to get great use out of that phrase. Oh my goodness, I forget where I was going with that. Anyway, just this is a really simple formula for a 12 by 12 scrapbook layout. You could probably alter it for a double page layout or a smaller format page. You would just have to shrink the dimensions down accordingly. But I really enjoyed making this layout. It was nice to do something that was simple but yet has a lot of bold pattern and color on it, because that floral print is very bold. So it kind of balances out. Like I didn't put a lot of embellishment onto this layout, but the layout still looks very complete, I guess, because of those bold patterns that exist in those papers. Here I just put those clear heart stickers onto some white cardstock because I didn't like the way that that floral looked through the clear stickers. And I'm using these tiny little scissors from We Are Memory Keeper because I couldn't find my Fisker scissors. I have since found them. And I did not like them. They were very difficult to use, those scissors, and I didn't care for it. So I won't be using them anymore. I have no idea where they came from. I don't remember purchasing them. It's possible they came in a kit or something that I bought. So thank you all for joining me to watch this super adorable scrapbook layout be made. And I will be back to share more layouts with you all soon. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.